はい、get a great robusta Takano, bilingual YouTuber. Yeah, today also I would like to inform you very important communication techniques, communication trainer. Today is May 2nd, Tuesday, very nice fine day, yeah, middle of the golden week, yeah. May 2nd, yeah, Tuesday, yeah, thank you for your taking a look at. Just now I finished my morning Renko Tai Chi. I speaking out my YouTube bilingually. Today's theme, this week I have been talking on the 君子の交わりは淡きこと水のごとく。如水の思想ですね。Very nice, philosophy to keep a sustainable relation to our friends or fellows. I talked on that essence of human relations. But to say about my blog, to say about my YouTube, as for the YouTube, 6.5 years I have been exercising, and beside YouTube, I have been writing up my blog more than 80 years, 18 years, but until now, never break up. Why? My blog or YouTube haven't been accepted to every people because my style of blog and YouTube is too tough. And to say about a minus point, adhesive, and to annoyance to my viewer or reader because so much tough content. So that I would like to change more, pastel color style YouTube and pastel color style blog in order to be accepted my viewer or reader so lightly, so smoothly, only to taking a small, endeavor to see, to read my masterpiece, so that I would like to change my style of speaking and YouTube and blog, like more, what can I say, like a water, 上善水のごとし、君子の交わりは淡き水のごとし、淡き。That is very important essence to keep a sustainable long time relation with my viewer and my data. Dankeschön!